Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumanth Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I am going to dictate questions and answers for Class 8 English Honeydew Chapter 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Comprehension check, page number 62. Questions. Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Question 2. Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October 58? Question 3. Mention any 3 or more things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Dear guys, now answer to these questions. Answer to question 1. The man, Parimal Ghosh, was taken aback when Bipin failed to recognize him. He didn't believe that Bipin had a lapse of memory. Answer to question 2. Bipin Babu said that in October 58 he was in Kanpur. Answer to question 3. Parimal Ghosh knew that Bipin Babu's wife was dead and his only brother had died insane in the same year in Ranchi lunatic asylum. He also knew that Bipin Babu had no children and he was a lover of books. Comprehension check, page number 65. Questions. Why did Bipin Babu worry about what Parimal Ghosh had said? Question 2. How did he try to decide who was right, his memory or Parimal Ghosh? Third, why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decide to phone him? Question 4. What did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did it comfort Bipin Babu or add to his worries? Dear guys, its answers. Answer for question 1. Bipin Babu was taken aback to hear the intimate details about his life from Parimal Ghosh. There seemed no reason why he should tell a lie. He wondered if he really had forgotten about his visit to Ranchi. Answer to second question. In order to resolve the puzzle about his visit to Ranchi, Bipin Babu decided to contact Dinesh Mukherjee. Parimal had said that Mukherjee was also in Ranchi at the time. Answer to question 3. Bipin Babu hesitated to visit Mukherjee, thinking that it would be ridiculous if he had really visited Ranchi. Mukherjee would think Bipin Babu had gone mad. Hence, Bipin Babu finally decided to phone him. Answer to question 4. Mukherjee didn't reply clearly, but he said that he had been to Ranchi twice. He was not sure about the trip. Bipin Babu exactly wanted to know. It made Bipin Babu more puzzled. He lost his appetite. Comprehension check on page number 68. Questions. Who was Chunilal? What did he want from Bipin Babu? Question 2. Why was Dr. Chand puzzled? What was unusual about Bipin Babu's loss of memory? Answer to the first question. Chunilal was an old friend of Bipin Babu. He wanted a favor from Bipin Babu in his job. Answer to question 2. Paresh Chand was a young physician. He had never dealt a case of memory loss. So he was puzzled. He gave a suggestion to Bipin Babu to visit Ranchi again. Comprehension check on page number 70. Questions. Had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about a trip to Ranchi? Question 2. Why do you think Chunilal did what he did? Chunilal says he has no money. What is it that he does have? Answer to the first question. Perhaps not. He finally recollected his memory and admitted that he has visited Ranchi in 1958. Second, Chunilal wanted some money from Bipin Babu, his old friend. So he went to him for help. He assured Bipin that the term of his fortune would be back again. Chuni had no money, but he had mind and wit. Working with the text. Working with the text, page number 70. Question 1. The author describes Bipin Babu as a serious and hard-working man. What evidence can you find in this story to support this? Dear guys, its answer. Bipin Babu was a serious, honest and hard-working fellow. He went to office regularly. He was doing a responsible job. He was not a good mixer. Being serious-minded, he didn't waste time in idle chat. Question 2. Why did Bipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chunilal? What was the result of his meeting? Bipin Babu first refused to meet Chunilal. He was in no mood to help Chunilal out of his trouble. But he changed his mind soon. He thought Chunilal might remember something about his trip to Ranchi in 1958. Question 3. Bipin Babu lost consciousness at the Hudru Falls. What do you think was the reason for this? Dear guys, its answer. Bipin Babu might have slipped near Hudru Falls. That made him unconscious. Question 4. How do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out that Chunilal had tricked him? Dear guys, its answer. Bipin Babu's first reaction was that he regretted having refused to help Chunilal. He saw through Chunilal's trick to test him and learnt a lesson. Dear friends, it was all for today. Hope you must have liked this video lecture. Please do press the like button and do subscribe my channel in order to get such more useful videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.